The 2011 Camaro. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, dual front airbags, power driver seat, air conditioning, CD player, radio data. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.